before 1986 because that's the EDSA revolution period.
Pa tayo nagkaroon ng car, no?
Yeah. Before that, I was a contributing newsman, although I do not derive any income from submitting news except for my editorial cartoons. I'm being paid 50 pesos per editorial cartoon then.
Oh, 50 pesos?
Well,
how much ngayon, sir?
siguro by now, siguro mga 300 pesos.
Oh. And then, so you saw the birth of the Cordillera.
Yes.
And then the clamor for autonomy. Do you know yung kung sino yung mga, aside from Balwag, meron bang mga front runners na mga leaders for clamoring for an autonomy?
Well, it's like this EO 220 was signed in 1987, July 15. But before that, there were clamors, but for a genuine autonomy. But it's not a group of Balweg. It's maybe the group of the CPA. People's Alliance.
Cordillera People's Alliance is different from the Cordillera People's Liberation Army.
Yes.
And then, kasi kung you're going to search for the word Cordillera Autonomy, doon nga rumor nga nagantot ni Apo
Balweg.
Conrado Balwag.
Yes.
So, I was trying to find kung meron pa bang iba. According to former Mayor Dumongan, there are people aside from Balwag. And of course, maybe he's one of them.
Yes, there are. But this came from the informal group. Tribal leaders, elders. But what happened really is when after the EDSA revolution, there was a yung split. Sinabi ko na yung split between
the NPA and
the rebel groups and then yung mga kumampi sa gobyerno. And then the group from Mountain Province, Billy Claver, he became a congressman eventually. The group, the elders like Mario Yagao of Tinglayan, Fred Luben of Kalinga or of Abra. Sila yung mga kasama namin na kino-cover namin noon who were pushing for autonomy. Of course, in Baguio, we had Manang Bridget Pawid. And then there were pati the Bugnosan brothers, in fact. And then medyo magulo kasi because there were those who are opposing. Baguio is they are stalwart anti-autonomy in Baguio. Like during that period, si Mayor Ernesto Beno, yung mga ganon, ayaw nila na makasama sa grupo ng Cordillera ang Baguio because Baguio has its own charter. So Baguio can shape its own destiny. How mo timinas ti Baguio nga kata. The clamor really of why a lot of people wanted autonomy, nag-progreso mo lang ti lugar tayong Cordillera. Tagamin, the taxes of the multinationals. Handamot nga dito'y bengket nga agbayad ti tax, ijadamot Makati. So what benefits this nya tag-benepisyo is highly urbanized cities, hanya Baguio, hanya Benguet, hanya Cordillera.
That's why I have the joke.
The same is true with power distribution. We have the dams. We have the electric power corporations, mga ganyan. Handamot niyang bayad tax dito eh. So DJ, like Itogon, handamot niyang bayad dito eh. They do not really contribute to the local economy. So masapul. So DJ tinagrugyan ti clamor nga ang kay sa tayo, autonomiya tayo. And that's why Jay Congress nga DJ 1987 Congress impas da DJ EO 220.
And at the same time, yung 1987 Constitution natin, ano?
Yes.
That the Muslims and the
Cordillera and Autonomous Region of Muslim
Yeah.
Mindanao.
and bakit yung Muslim region parang nakadalawang ano na sila, bakit tayo wala
Oo,
pa?
oo.
Which is, I'm also wondering kung tinitingnan ko yung history natin is why is it na ganun? Ano kaya sa tingin ninyo ang dahilan? We have like two
Well,
plebiscites.
I'm hearing people's opinion.
Mm.
Opinion from experts, from the academe. They were saying tribalistic community Cordillera, nagaduti tribu,
Right.
the way we speak alone, the way we dialogue.
Yeah.
Sabasabaliti ko tayo, ada Kankanay,
Exactly.
Ibaluy, ada Tinggian, Itneg, Mountain Province, dati Bontok, dati Apply, dati pa. And even Ifugao and Benguet, dati Kalanguya, dati Paijay, Karao.
Yes.
So, it's what divides us. So,
Ngum apay han nga kasi yung lang jami Mindanao sir in terms of kaslang nga dagiti da kangay kadamo dagiti da.
well, they approved gamin eh. We had a plebiscite. Twice nga nagka-plebiscito dito Cordillera. At first, it was only Ifugao.
Yeah.
And then, Ifugao can apayaw sa dyan, nagpa-ID Sumarno.
Yeah. Second.
Tatama ng so nga, our congressmen, our politicians, our provincial representatives, discuss da dyan nga to, no niya tiko, but then, dapat nga panutunda nga ma-approval ng tao da ito eh. So, so it's really the will of the people, no,
Yes.
no handang mawatan, agad, handang turn down da.
It talaga nga key, we have to let people understand, really understand.
Yes. They have to appreciate, they have to see the benefits, why we are, moving toward this kind of self-governance,
Yes.
kung kunada yung autonomy. Pati kung kunada, ay niya ayati ituno yo, niya ayati ituno.
Autonomy.
So they took it as a jest.
Yeah.
Ay waday ituno to yo.
Talking about that the tax a while ago. So na jay angaw mi ijay lipanto nga di tartaray ni Apo VP Binay di na ganito kami sa Makati kuno na ngayon. Ay da kami nga taga Lipanto tinangpabak ng ti Makati.
Paiso.
Because of the tax of the Lipanto Mining Corporation.
Paiso.
El Maestro Speaks Podcast.